One of the main benefits that people get out of Keto Chow is a peace of mind about their nutrition.
I'm Miriam, and this is Chris, and we're the owners and operators of Keto Chow.
It can be very difficult on a ketogenic diet to get the right nutrients, to get the right protein, to get the right fats, low enough carbohydrates. And this can be a meal where you don't have to worry about it. We've learned a lot about keto diets, about proper nutrition. One of our driving forces with the product is every time we learn something new, we put that into Keto Chow. We're using the best ingredients. All of the nutrients that are in Keto Chow are the optimal versions for human beings, and we've put the amounts at optimal amounts. If you wanted to use Keto Chow for a breakfast, well, you don't have to worry that it's not giving you the right nutrients. It will be giving you the magnesium, the selenium, chromium. Every serving of Keto Chow is designed to give you a third of your nutrients.
It's quick, easy, it's delicious, smooth and creamy. It takes like 15 minutes and you've got all these meals. Stores for a week in the fridge. A lot of times we look at Keto Chow as somewhat training wheels, like especially when you're starting, if you just need something like a crutch to kind of lean on and help you on your way till you can graduate from Keto Chow, that's fine too. It can fit in your journey wherever you would like it to fit, and we would be happy to be part of that.
Keto Chow, we do see ourselves as a support system for people. We do provide a lot of information. We're not trying to replace steak. We're not trying to replace bacon and eggs. I still think making amazing meat is by far the best way you can eat. I didn't know how to cook when I first started doing all of this, and I've since learned, and I'm a lot better at it, but still, boy, I am the lazy guy I was, and I still just like to mix up some Keto Chow, and that's good for breakfast.